Hello there, my friends. All right, so I went to Target today and I bought these thermal pants, right? Goodfellow and Company. That's kind of like the Target brand, or one of the brands that I see at Target a lot. And what I was looking for was something in addition. I have one pair left of these Joe boxers. Now, since Kmart went out of business, I know quality clothing, but honestly, these have lasted me for years, and they're in really good shape. And I can't find these anywhere. I did go on Amazon. I looked for Joe boxers. They have the shirts, but for whatever reason, I can't find their thermal pants. And the reason I like these is that they're 60% cotton, 40% polyester, but they don't have, like when you throw them in the dryer, especially in the winter around here, it gets really dry and you get static electricity. These don't get that much static electricity when I pull them out of the dryer, which is, right, Tara? My wife will tell you, like, I hate static electricity. It's like one of my banes of my existence. So the reason I was trying to find Joe boxers, or the equivalent, was because I bought these off of Amazon a while back, and I don't even know what this brand is. P&S. These are 60/40 again, but these things are a magnet for static electricity. Unbelievable. Like, you just, like, wearing them under a regular pair of jeans, you'll still generate static. So, like, I'm always shocking myself. But this texture and this texture are very different, even though there's 60/40 blends. This texture, you can see, looks almost identical to the Joe boxers. So we're going to try these and see if they work. And this was $10 or so at Target in person, not online. So if that helps you. If you have any questions, go ahead and put them in the comments below. But that's my take on these thermal pants. If once I wear them, this is the first time I bought them. Once I wear them, I'll let you know how they compare to the Joe boxers. But they feel identical. And these ones I got for like $8 off of Amazon. Not buying any more of those. All right, have a great day. Smash like for me. Thanks.